Hi, I'm Lee Merman with Investments in Sarasota, and today I'm standing in front of 3475 Gulf of Mexico Drive, beachfront decadence. I want to talk about something that I've noticed. If you pay as close attention as I do to the real estate market, maybe you've sensed it too. In September, last month, which is hot and humid and a little bit quiet real estate-wise, you may have noticed the return of an incredible phenomena here in Sarasota, the open house. And here this Sunday at 3475 Gulf of Mexico Drive, there will be just that, an open house. I don't know how long this is going to last, but it's existing right now. As we've moved from September to October, the amount of time that a property has been on the market has gone from maybe minutes and hours to at least a couple of days. But don't get so relaxed yet. The early snowbirds are returning. There's still less than 1,000 houses for sale currently here. And I don't know if this phenomenon of open houses are going to go away, but we definitely feel that there's more momentum back in the market after September is behind us. So looking at that momentum, how are the numbers for the third quarter of 2021? Well, sales are down 8% compared to the same quarter a year ago. And that's primarily because homeowners don't want to become sellers. They don't know where they're going to go, because being here in Sarasota is right now one of the very best options. The luxury market, those properties listed for $1 million or more, has gone up 25% since the third quarter of 2020. The distressed market is pretty negligible because there's tremendous amount of equity that's been created in properties and a lot of government programs because of the pandemic. And finally, 70% of our total market here in Sarasota is under 500,000. For your customized and personalized experience as we navigate this unique real estate market, please give me a call. For Investments in Sarasota, here on Longboat Key, I'm Lee Merman.